So here is an excellent drawing of it. So things that are important to have, the melting temperature of 350 and 300 for those two. You're going to have a solubility limit of 10% on each side. So we have alpha belling over here and beta ham on this side with the solubility limit at 10%. The shape of these, we don't really know. So we're just making that up. That's something that you would have to find out what the shape actually looked like. And then we have this eutectic point at 60% here. Anything to the right of that is hyper-eutectic. It is beyond the eutectic point, and anything to the left is hypo, which means not enough or less. So that's the hyper and hypo difference. And then make sure that you have liquid up at the top. You have the solid Bellingham down at the bottom, and you have the two slushy zones of alpha plus liquid on one side and beta plus liquid on the other side. Yes?
On the test, are we likely to have to draw this diagram, like without being able to search up an example of a eutectic phase diagram?
I am more likely to ask you questions about it, but it has been on a test in the past where it had to be drawn. But yeah. Anyway, but just drawing it doesn't demonstrate an understanding necessarily, so I'm more likely to ask a question about it. Any questions about this? Yes.
If we have like something like that on a test, would you show the diagram and be like, explain the...
I don't know. Let's worry about the test when we get closer to the test. We've got weeks. Yeah. Just because, yeah, I don't know. It could be anything. Any questions about the concept? All right, then that means I'll leave it up there long enough for people to look at it. We have a 5-minute break, so it is 51, so 56.
Water? Oh,